Hello engineers, this is Immerse Electrical Engineering. Today, as you can see, we have our sequential motor control circuit diagram. So as you can see, this is our L1, and then this is our stop button, start button, and then our contactor 1. And then as you can see, we have our 83 here, and then 84, and then we have our start button, which is start 2. Then we have our contactor K2. So we are about to learn how to connect it or how to wire it. So stay tuned and watch what we're about to do for our sequential motor control circuit. Thank you for watching. So engineers, these are the things that we need for the sequential motor control circuit. So we have our contactor, two contactor here, and then we have our breaker. This is our breaker, and then we have our start button, and then stop button. So we are about to start how to connect it. So let's move on. First of all, you need your contactor, and then as you can see here, if you check in the diagram, there is our L1, which is the line 1 that we are about to use. So this is our breaker. So let's take it as this is our main power supply, and then we need a cable. So we'll be using this cable first. They will be setting in. So this we are doing this place. So as you can see, this is how it goes. Yeah. So now we are done. So we need a stop button. A stop button. So the stop, they have one. So we will check in this place. Here they have 12 and then 11. So as you can see here, this is the 11. This place is the 11. So now we are done. And then we need to connect 2, which is the 12 in the stop button. So now we are done with the stop button. Now we need our contactor. As you can see here, now we are here. So here is our start button. So this place, our start button. So the start button is 13 and 14. Okay, 3 and 4. So this place is 13 and 14. This one is 13 and then this one is 14. So let's check. This place is 13. So we are using the diagram to connect it. So, and then this place is 14, which is 4 in the diagram. Okay, so now we are done with the start button. So now we need to connect, we need the contactor, which is A1. So from the 4 to A1, so we have A2, and then as you can see A2 and then A1. So we'll be connecting in this place, A1. So from 4 to A1 in the start button. Yes, A1. Okay. So now we are done with the contactor side.